Are you having a hard time in listening? Do you want to improve your listening skills? Do you know that listening is really important for everyone? Because you can communicate with other people if you don't understand what they are saying. So, how can we improve our listening skills? Here are the 12 effective listening techniques. The first technique is eliminate as many external distractions as you can. In order to focus well in the speaker's message, try to eliminate as many external distractions as you can. External distractions include auditory, visual, or physical noise. The second technique is eliminate as many internal distractions as you can. Internal distractions are your own thoughts and emotions. These may affect your attention in listening to the speaker. Put away your worries that could distract you and always put in your mind that we need to set aside our problems when we are at a meeting or work. The third technique is come to meetings prepared so that you can actively listen to others. We listen better when we are prepared and not disposed. Organize the things you need, such as writing materials to take notes or sketches that will help you focus on the meeting and prevents you in wandering around. Control the internal and external distraction as you can. The fourth technique is take notes if you begin to daydream. Take notes if you begin to daydream for you to have a reference of what is said or written in the discussion. The fifth technique is do not respond only to what the speaker implies. Respond to the total communication, content, intent, and nonverbal communication. Respond to overall communication not only for what the speaker says or implies to fully understand the total communication. We need to understand what the speaker says before giving feedback. The sixth technique is to identify words that trigger your anger and then control your reaction. Try to understand why these words makes you instantly angry. Identify the words that trigger your anger and control your emotions. There are times that when the speaker is delivering a speech or message, there are some words uttered by him that can cause your change of mood. But as an effective listener, you need to learn how to handle your emotions so that it will not cause misunderstandings between you and the speaker. The seventh technique is respond to the speaker without judgment. Respond to a speaker without judging what he or she says and accept the speaker's communication as worthwhile even though you may not agree. Suspend judgment until you have heard all sides of the story and do not fill in the gaps of the communication with your own ideas, thoughts, and opinions. This ensures that the speaker feels valued, respected, and listened to. The eighth technique is do not prepare your response while someone is talking. It means that when somebody is talking, just listen to them. Learn how to listen and do not interrupt. To accomplish this technique, it is better to prepare ahead of time before the meeting. We should know the important details so that we can listen well and be prepared for an on-the-spot response. The ninth technique is do not go into a communication situation with your mind already made up. Do you always have a fixed mindset about certain situation? Then you should be open-minded. Don't let big walls stop the flow of ideas. If you go to an event and you already made up your mind, you may miss a significant point that could alter your perspective. By this technique, the real essence of communication can be done. The 10th technique is negotiate behavior with yourself. Understand ahead of time what your opinions may be to certain words or ideas. This is not prejudging, this is preparing. Always understand whatever the situation is. Being emotionally stable despite unfortunate or bad circumstances helps you to focus on certain words or ideas. The 11th technique is, if you realize that you are not listening, physically move forward with your seat. If standing, move toward the speaker if possible. With these physical movements, you will be able to listen attentively. At the same time, you will clearly hear the message of the speaker. With that, you will prevent losing your attention to what the speaker says. The last technique is do not rely on others to interpret what happened in a meeting or what was said. Avoid asking on what has happened in the meeting because there is a possibility that the information you will gather was already filtered through emotional and mental aspects. These are the 12 listening techniques to be followed in order to attain full understanding of what is discussed or elaborated.